So just a quick walkthrough of the lead tracking that we provide. I hesitate to call it call tracking because that's just one part of it. The other part of it is tracking from form submissions. So we like to refer to it as lead tracking, and it really allows you to capture a whole overview of what's going on with your marketing, what's bringing in leads, and so on. So let's just look at this client real quick. Let's look at it for this month. So how many leads were generated? 161. And this is on the dashboard. We give you access to the dashboard so you can log in at any time and see any of this data. It will tell you types of leads that were coming in. It will tell you if they're unique leads or if they're repeat leads as well. This dashboard right here, if you're using it to its full potential, then you can log in and quote leads and add a value to them. So then when you're logged in, you could see, hey, this lead came in. We assigned a value of it, just say $1,000 for the first year. And that allows you really to see in this dashboard what source of traffic is bringing the most and the most valuable leads in. So as we look at for this client, they have was that 51 plus 30, that's 81 from Google Ads this month, 51 forms, 30 phone calls, um, organic Google Places, 28, Google Business Profile, which is um, calls directly from that. And we changed how we have the tracking set up just slightly, and so some of the campaigns looks just a little bit different, but they're redundant right here. But once we get through this month, and they won't be in the future, we just changed the tracking of them, which generated the most leads. So this would be the home page generated the most leads, contact page, the emergency dental care page, new patient, smile makeover page. And then you can see a little bit more about these leads, the source, and so on. But let's just get into the leads real quick so you can take a look how this dashboard works. So when you log in, then you'll see right here it will show you unique versus repeat leads, and you can turn it off and just look at unique leads. You can change it so it's by the week, whatever it may be. Very very customizable. We'll just look at the unique right now, and if you're using this to assign to determine if a lead's a good lead, if you've been able to quote them or not, then this will show the quote value up here as well. You can even use it to come back in and say that you close a lead, and then it'll show you the conversion rate. But for just today, these are the calls that have come in. If we click on this, then it'll give us a little bit more information. And then what is really cool about this is our platform will give you uh, not only the source of the lead, of course, and the page that they called you from, the page that they landed on, but we use AI to summarize the phone call, and it will tell you right here just a brief synopsis of the phone call. So you can, of course, click and listen to the lead, or excuse me, listen to the phone call. But if you're crunched on time, you could just look at the synopsis of it right here, and it's a great summary of it. This keyword detection will indicate some of the words that were used in the lead. So perhaps people were mentioning Medicaid or state insurance. You'll be able to look at that and know that you didn't get an appointment set because it's not one that you want, not, and you don't accept the state insurance or the Medicaid. Let's go down here and look. Click. You can click that to listen to the lead. You can change status and only look at ones that are the unique leads right here in this as well. And then we click on. Let's click on this. View lead. And then this will tell us, this has our form information that they submitted to your new patient. Yes, contact name, email, phone number, what can we help you with, and so on. So all of that information just shows up right there. And this is where I mentioned you can set it as, uh, you know, yes, it's quotable lead, pending, whatever it may be, and you could assign a quote value to it, sales value, whatever it may be. Okay, so this is a HIPAA compliant um, software that we use. We use we have a BAA in place with the call tracking and lead tracking provider as well. And then along with this, there's a lot of different reports that you can run. If you wanted to see uh, data as far as where the leads are coming from, maybe what specific landing page they're coming from, what source or campaign they're coming from. Just a few of the other reports you can look at. You can look at the leads by source, look at them, change the date, and look at them through the year, and see when your busy times are. This tracks pretty well with what we see as far as the busy times, the source of those leads, and then another cool report is you can look at the leads by landing page. This is just touching the surface of it, but leads by landing page. So you want to know what page is generating the most leads for you. That's going to help you know which of your campaigns is working well, which one's underperforming or overperforming, and then click on this and it will show you the leads that came through for any of those pages. So pretty powerful lead tracking software, HIPAA compliant, as I mentioned. We offer this as an add-on to any of our marketing clients at no cost, and then we quote it on a case-by-case basis, depending upon the traffic to the site and the types of campaigns that a client is running. If they're running, need multiple numbers for ads and organic traffic and some stuff they're doing offline, um, that's why we quote it separately. So, you have any questions on this? Let me know.